Hello beauties, and welcome back to my channel where we put the B-U in beautiful. Today we are back at it again. Today is day 5 of our Get a Snatched waist series, and I will be using this medicine ball to work out my core. So just try to keep up, ladies. This first exercise is very intense. Okay, you will see me stopping and grimacing because the burn is burning, but it is so effective and so worth it. So yes, take notes. If you're at the gym right now, make sure you follow along and let's get snatched together. Yay! And we're doing 3 sets of this workout, 12 reps per set. Again, you will want to stop. It's okay to take short breaks. You don't want to kill yourself. However, make sure that you finish the complete workout so we can get as snatched as possible. Yay! Okay, so now we are shifting gears into this exercise. You're going to do 3 sets, 6 reps, and this burns so much. Now, for the purposes of this video, I said 3 sets. However, I actually did 6 sets. Why? Because typically with my ab workouts, I do 12 reps, but because this is intense and I started off heavy, I decided to do 6 reps of the last 2 workouts. So anytime you're doing 6 reps, you definitely want to double up. That is why instead of doing 3 sets, I did 6. However, I did not get to film the remaining 3 sets that I did because I also filmed for TikTok. So just keep that in mind. If you want to do 3 sets, you will still get that intense burn. However, 6 sets is the way to go. Keep up. Okay, now I'm going to end with Russian twists. Again, just like the previous exercise, I in reality did 6 sets of these, but for the purposes of this video, I was only able to film 3 sets. So yeah, you can either do 3 sets of this or 6 sets. And I did 6 sets because I did 6 reps, okay? Again, this is another intense workout. I highly recommend to get a super snatched waist, babies. And this is my final workout, so I'm going to just end the video here. Make sure that you are sticking to your fitness goals, that you are exercising at least 4 to 5 days out of the week. And make sure that you are checking out my meal prep videos, because nutrition is about 80% of your fitness journey. You want to make sure that you are feeding your body the right things, so that way you can see the results you want to see. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye, beautiful.